Hello guys, my name is Usau Solomon and welcome to Vected Side Hustle. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create these AI photos without paying a dime. So if you have been looking for how to generate beautiful AI images without paying for it, so hold on while I show you how to do that. So first of all, let me just go to my phone and show you the type of images that I'm talking about. Stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, this is my home screen, so let me go to my photos to show you guys the type of photos I'm talking about. Okay, I will leave this, we'll edit it some other time. Okay, so let's keep going. It's been a while since I do this kind of videos, but here is one of the photos. So this is the photo here, one of the photos that I did. This is another one, this is another one, this is another one. They are quite beautiful. So if you're looking for how to create photos like this, I want you to stay tuned while I show you how you're gonna do this without paying a dime. Okay, so the first and foremost, all you have to do is to come back to your home screen. Then come back to your home screen, then you go to your Play Store. So once you get your Play Store, you click on the search bar and search for instant portrait. So instant portrait. Okay, so we are searching for instant portrait. So this is it here. It's saying instant portrait, this very one here, this very one here. So this is actually the one that I'm showing you guys. So when you open it for your own, you'll be seeing in style instead of this open. So the reason why my own is showing open is because I have already downloaded it. So once you open your Play Store, what you will be seeing here is install. So you click on install, and once you have finished downloading it, you will see open. So you can click on the open directly to open it. But for the course of this video, let me go back to my home screen and locate this instant photo on my phone. So okay, this is it. So this is the instant photo here. So this is the instant photo here. So all I have to do is just to click on it and then allow it to open. So it's opening. This instant photo have a very simple interface. So it is an easy to understand interface that you just have to swipe between male and female. So all you have to do, since I'm a guy, I'm just going to swipe to the male side and take a look at the photos that I want to generate, something that looks like it. So let me just go down. Okay, I think I like this guy here. Okay, let me just click on this very guy here with suits. So I click on it and now it's telling me generating. Now you may be wondering, why is it telling me generating? Is because it already have my photo here. So that is why is now they have already generated two photos. So this very one, I don't like this one. This one is not me at all. So, but this one look awesome. This one here look awesome, but I have to snap another photo on the course of doing this video so that you will know how to do this. So if you just finish downloading this thing, all you have to do is to click on this new selfie. So when you click on new selfie, it will snap you. Okay, so I've actually click on it. So what I have to do next is click on take photo. So now it's going to generate another photo using this recent picture that I just snapped. So this is it. This is another one that is just generated. This is another one, and this is another one. I don't know why these ones are actually like this, but I think this picture is very, very stunning. So if you click back here, so this is actually looking okay, nice. I think I have to save this one. So to save this photo, what you have to do is just click on save image. It will save directly on your phone. So I click on okay, save image saved. So this one again, I click on save image. So now to generate another one, I have to click on new portrait. So I click on new portrait to allow it to do its magic while I also save the photo. Okay, this one is another one. Let me click on save image. Very good. Okay, this is another one. I think I like this hairstyle. this is actually my kind of hairstyle. So I click on save image again. Okay, so this very last one, okay, let me click on save image. So very good. So this is actually how you have to, generate those photos, wearing that kind of fine suit, those kind of suit that somehow you may not be able to afford, but you have to wear it on some of your photos. So now basically let's go back to my photo. Let me see if those images have been saved on my phone. So I click, go back to my home screen, then scroll back to my photos. Okay, this is my photos. So basically these are the last ones that we did. So let me go up. Very good. So these are the photos that we just did. Now we just did two, that is 332. So this one here is the one that we did, another one. Okay, this is the one that I told you that this is actually the type of my hairstyle, and I love this one very much. So this is another one. Okay, Amy Bobo, you're looking cool. This is another one, and this is another one. This one is actually looking very, very cool, even with tattoo on my hand self. Now these people too much. So basically, if this is what you are looking for, so I want you to just go straight to your Play Store, download the instant portrait, and start doing the magic with it. So basically, if you find value in this video, I want you to go ahead and subscribe if you are a new person to this channel. But if you are a returning subscriber, I want you to please hit on the like button, so that YouTube will position this video for other people like you to see. So thank you, and remain blessed.